So for this step, what we're going to be doing is adjusting the pickup heights. So on Stratocasters, it's very important to have the heights adjusted properly. What happens is, in a Strat pickup, the magnet is the pole piece. So if the pole piece gets a little bit too close to the string, it can sound a little bit like a chorus pedal, like not in a pleasant way. So we want to be careful that the pickup isn't too far away from the string, then it would just not sound good. But it's also not too close to the string, because then it's way too much inside the magnetic field, not going to sound good. So typically the specs I like to use are 4 and 3/32. So the way that we can balance a set of pickups is to suppress the last fret, and then we put a 6-inch ruler here. And on the 32nd side is that side right there. So currently it's at 3/32 on the bass side and 2/32 on the treble. So what I can do is I can back that off. So let's move this down to 4 and 3/32. Now again, I'm suppressing the last fret. So there's 4/32 and there's 3. And then I move on down the line. See that pickup there? Needs to come a little closer. It's a little too far away. This gets the pickups balanced with each other. 3, that one needs to come up just a little bit. There's 3. And notice I'm going from the top of the pole piece to the string. That's a little bit too close. If the string is that close to your pickup pole piece, it's going to sound kind of odd. It's going to sound a little bit like a chorus pedal. Too much inside the magnetic field. There's 3 on the treble side. Let's back that off a little bit. And 4. On this guitar, I would probably want to pop the pick guard off and add another rubber grommet in there. So that'll back down and sit down. When I suppress that, it's at 4. So my next step on this, look at this play on the pickup. See, that's moving like that. So inside that screw, there's a little rubber grommet. What I would do is I'd pop the guard off, add another piece of rubber spacer material in there so that doesn't flip up like that, so it compresses it out, and then I could back the pickup even more. But after doing that, this guitar would be balanced correctly.